Hi everyone, I hope you're well. I just wanted to jump onto this presentation and give you a little bit more information about another key service that the design team provide here at Hague. If you're looking and considering any sort of refurbishment, whether that's for a reception, reception and communal areas, a squat or a relocation project, and in fact what I'm going to show you here is a relocation project, then having the right technical drawings and information to communicate with builders is key. So obviously if you're working with Hague on the interior side, then we would provide you with a concept with a really nice 3D visualization of what it's going to look like all through the practice, all through the rooms you're looking at. But you'll come to me and say, but that looks lovely, Kirsty, but how much is this going to cost? So what we do then is we start to create a series of technical drawings that will give a detailed plan for that any builder can look at, because they're used to looking at CAD plans, not pretty pictures. So it will give them some technical details so that they can start to accurately cost for the project and then build it. So this is quite a long, lengthy document. They do vary in size, but I thought this was a good one to show you that the depth and complexity of all the work we can do within my team here at Hague. Let me just move this down. So we start with looking at the spatial layout. So back in months ago, when we were working with Nisha and her team, we started looking at the layout of the practice, and this one in particular not only looks at that, but it's looking at particular wall finishes for the practice. So you can see detailed here. Some of them are tiles. We've got paint finishes, wallpapers, and even some specialist paint finishes as well, plaster finishes here. This one is our flooring plan. So you can see room by room what the flooring is going to be. We then come on to another really important one, of course, lighting plan. This is actually in a basement, so the lighting plan was extra important, making sure that the mood of that basement was right. There was enough light coming in, it was pitched right correctly. So this one was an important one for this project. We've got illuminated signage on this one. This one is the layout of our furniture. So having, again, worked on the research with you, the kind of seating that you'd like in all rooms. So you can see here, this is not just for the reception. We're considering consultation rooms, staff rooms, maybe even chaperone chairs in the surgeries. Everything is laid out in detail so that we can provide accurate costings on seating and furniture for you. The next section we look at is elevations. So wall by wall, you can see exactly how those will be made up, and it's been referred to on the plan up here. So I'll just whiz through these ones. This is the beautiful up and over section that Hayley created in this reception area. So the exact detailing and dimensions of that for the builder to cost. Then we come on to another really important part, which is the door schedule. Whether you're considering a brand new build or you're working within your current practice, looking at doors is always tends to be key. Most of the time when I go into practices, they have a mixed match doors, a lot that maybe need changing up to fire doors, or it just tends to be a mismatch. So this door schedule between this plan and this list will provide all the things that you'd need to list clearly each door, room by room, floor by floor. Then we come on to this. This is a further detailing on the doors. This section here comes into some bespoke elements. So again, not everyone will need this, but a lot of projects have some sort of bespoke element within the design. So that might be display areas, refreshment, areas for refreshments in waiting rooms. We might provide, I think this was a particular column with a mirror on it. This is staff room, looking at the kitchens and the detailing from that. Again, often we will just quote Howdens and we'll work with them on a plan, with the builders on a plan. But if you need further detail, we can do that for you. So all of these pages outline that. This was some detailing around the really nice consultation desk that they were having in one of the surgeries. So that's all of that section, really. So that all comes together to provide all the technical pack that they would need for this project. So I really hope that is of interest. It's worth me sharing with you. Please, as always, don't hesitate to pick up the phone, no matter where you are within your project, even if you're not at the stage of even having a site yet. Really worth talking to us. I hope you're well and hope to chat to you soon. All right, take care. Bye-bye.